Hey! Walking down a little path by a villa here in the valley. Beautiful, peaceful. Really give you time to think. Most people don't do that, think. But it's a requirement if you want to grow. So, I do a lot of traveling. I've always done a lot of traveling. I tell people I've designed my life. And I get lost at that sometimes. Some people understand. And a lot of people tell me, well, I want to travel, but I can't. I can't travel. And that's one of the words I never use, can't. Because there's always a way, and we make all these barriers in our mind like it's so much harder than it actually is. And the world's actually a lot smaller than you'd think in different ways, and there are a lot more opportunities to do things like that around the world. And if you're very careful, if you use a word like can't or tomorrow or well, when this happens, this happens, this happens, or just anything like that, you know. If you say to yourself in your head, well, I'm going to find a way, I'll just do it, I'll figure it out. Well, the best thing you can say to yourself is, I'll figure it out. That lets your brain subconsciously work on it. And once your brain has permission to work on it, which most people don't give it, then you'll have a aha moment. Wait, if I do this, then I can do that. Hey, try it. Also, my new book is out. Noah Savage, New Beginnings. Check it out now.